Hey there, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Miracle What reviews? So, guys, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. And guys, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So next, guys, we'll provide you with the full details of this website, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, we'll talk about the website's type and the products they offer. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with a device, and it is a device that has been mentioned to save electricity. So it is a electricity saving device. So you can check this product out by visiting to their official site. So next we'll check their payment options. For that you have to scroll it down till the end, and they have given it. So this website accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, PayPal, and many more. Now guys, if you want to know about their shipping policy, you have to go to the FAQs. Just click on the FAQs, then scroll it down and then go to ordering or shipping FAQs, and then go to when will my order ship. So here they mention that you have to allow 24 to 48 hours for your order to ship. And how long does shipping take? You go there. They've also mentioned that in a standard shipping time it takes 5 to 7 days, while express shipping timing takes 2 to 3 days. So now guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now guys, we'll talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And about the domain information, this website was registered on 15th of February 2019 and it is going to expire on 15th of February 2022, which means this website is quite old and hence it can be trusted. Now we'll check the about us details. So let's check if they have it or not. So guys, here as you can see, they have not given their about us details. So next we'll check the contact details. And here they've given their email address and also the company address. And guys, we have checked the physical address and it matches. Also the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now guys, coming to their social media presence, we have checked, but this website does not have any social media presence. So this is a negative point of this website. So next we'll check the return and refund policy. And here about the return policy. So they mentioned that. So guys, they mentioned that if you want to return the product, you should return it within 90 days. And about the refund, they've said that refunds may take 1 to 2 billing cycles to appear on your credit card statement depending on your credit card company. So guys, do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Miracle What reviews, well, we couldn't find any single customer review in any trusted website or any genuine website, but there are some article-based review which are both positive and negative. So this is the negative sign of this website, and the trust score of this website is 76% and the content quality seems to be plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Miracle What reviews, this website appears to be a suspicious website. As you can see, this website is not very old, though it has got some reviews, but they are all articles-based reviews and there are both positive and negative reviews. Also, it does not have any social media presence, so it seems very suspicious. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.